Hi, in front of me is Nokia 3.4 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. Start by opening Settings, then choose Apps and Notifications, click on Advanced and tap on Permission Manager. Select one of the options, for example Location, and click on it. Now you need to choose an app, for example phone, click on it and pick one of the options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, I can see that phone gained access to my device location. If you want to see all permissions that this app wants to get access to, you can click on it and choose see all phone permissions and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!